Welcome back everyone. I included this product link in the description for most up-to-date pricing. Stay tuned and let's get into the video. Panasonic NN-SN736B Black. The Panasonic registered model NN-SN736B comes in black or white and is also available in 2.2 cubic feet if you need a larger inside capacity for your family. The housing is metal and the keypad is plastic. Don't see a handle to open the door? It's not there. To open, simply press the white button below the numbers for this to be one of the best countertop microwaves. The glass turntable is 15 inches diameter. The inverter power means it uses less space for electronics so that you have more space inside. This allows delicate foods to simmer without overcooking. In addition, foods retain more color, texture and nutrients for fast, easy, and delicious results. There are 13 pre-programmed automatic menu items, automatic cook, a delay start function, more, less control, quick program, and popcorn button. The keypad also has 5 menu buttons for you to program your most often cooked food items. It has 10 power levels to cook at a specific percent of power that is most useful. If you have a Wi-Fi nearby and it turns off your microwave, know that microwaves run at 2.5 GHz. The same frequency as a basic Wi-Fi. Get yourself a dual-band Wi-Fi router that runs at 2.5 GHz and at 5 GHz and switch your Wi-Fi in your laptop, desktop, or phone over to the 5 GHz band. That's the only way to solve your problem or move your device farther away. You can't change the microwave, so you'll have to fix the problem through your Wi-Fi device. The inside dimensions are 9 inches high x 16 and 7/16 inches wide x 18.5 inches deep. The outside dimensions are 12 inches high x 19 and 7/16 inches wide x 21 and 7/8 inches deep. Front to back, plug the registered listed 44-inch 3-prong grounded cord into a North American 110-120 volt, 50/60ths of a Hertz outlet. It is not 220 volts. The amps are 12.3. You will receive a user's manual and a parts and labor warranty of 1 year with the magnetron warranty for 5 years with its labor of 1 year. I included this product link in the description. You can check out this link for more information and latest price. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos.